Hi, this is Karen with WTI. I was immediately impressed by the brightness and the clarity the GLAMCOR lights provides. It definitely makes a difference whenever I'm recording videos. It comes with LED bulbs that it gives you warm light or cool light or the mix of both of them. And the intensity can be switched up and down. I also like that the arm and the head are adjustable so I can point them to the direction that I need them to be. I really love the design. It's slick, it's elegant, and it's super lightweight. I do have a second job, and this little light comes in handy because it comes with me whenever I go and I have to do a client, and it's really easy to set up and fast. And this beauty has become an essential tool in my work arsenal. And that's our point of view.